Welcome back. Villagers of Anjuna have opposed electronic music festival Sunburn at Vagathor. Their main contention is that the land used for the festival is a cattle grazing land. They say festival will destroy the ecosystem and degrade the land with garbage and sewage.
Preparations for the 3-day festival is on at Vagathor, but not all are enthusiastic about the festival. Anjuna villagers are protesting against Sunburn.
आम्ही बारीक आमका चिडूंक सोदता आमचे काबार फाल्यां आमकां इकतलो गव्हर्नमेंटाक पावर आसा आमकां इकपाक तेंची सत्ता आहा न्हू आमी कितें कितें एप्लिकेशन केलें जाल्यार आमकां व्हॅल्यू ना म्हणजे गांवांक व्हॅल्यू ना भायल्यान कोणें येवन कितेंय करूं येता गांवचो करी जाल्यार ताका रोखडोच चिड दिता
जनरल बॉडी सगळें कोटलें इव्हेंट आहा गांवान जे कम्युनिटी लँड आहा कोटलोच इव्हेंट आहा जनरल बॉडी इज ए मस्ट.
This comes under the comunidad. So biodiversity board is wanting to know whether this comunidad is willing to use this for their own use to plant trees and not to have this festival and destroy the ecosystem. They have not taken, you know, about the amount of people which are coming over here, the garbage which is generated. This garbage and sewage, it is a health hazard.
Some say construction of structures are in progress without proper permissions.
Now they are already started construction of the stages, etc. much well in advance without any permission from any department, neither from Panchayat nor from any other department.
Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
In Tarun Tejpal rape case, prosecution has demanded to start arguments on framing of charges immediately. However, the defence side has demanded fresh copy of CCTV footage of scene of crime. The court is likely to take a decision on 23rd December.
Dispute over clone copy of CCTV footage of the scene of crime Hotel Grand Hyatt has delayed the trial proceeding in Tarun Tejpal rape case. Crime branch had filed charge sheet in February this year, but arguments on framing of charges could not be started due to various issues over clone copy of the CCTV footage. Following trial court's order, clone copy of entire CCTV footage was supplied to Tarun Tejpal, but recently he claimed that his copy is not playing. Tarun Tejpal has demanded a fresh clone copy of the CCTV footage. On the other side, prosecution on Friday alleged that defence side is delaying the trial proceeding, taking excuse of CCTV footage. Prosecution pleaded to start the arguments on framing of charges on the basis of available material. Tejpal's counsel has contended that they cannot argue their side without viewing entire CCTV footage. Now, the trial court on 23rd December will decide on both the demands. Tejpal's demand to provide fresh clone copy of CCTV footage and prosecution's demand to start arguments on framing of charges. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.